Hey guys, in this video we are translating between tables, stories, equations, and graphs. The story reads, a train was traveling at a constant speed. The table shows the distance in miles the train traveled for the first 4 hours. So we have a table. All right. We also kind of have a story, a little bit. So here we see that in 1 hour it goes 95 miles. In 2 hours it goes 190, etc. So it seems like every single hour we're traveling another 95, and that's going to help us to get there. 1 times 95 gives us 95. 2 times 95 gives us 190. All right. The first thing we need to do is find an equation to represent the relationship between t, time, and d, the total distance traveled by the train. So I know that it's an equation, so I'll throw it an equal sign. And I have total distance traveled by the train. That is my dependent variable. That depends on my independent variable and my unit rate. Here my unit rate is up here at this 1. It's how long do we travel in 1 mile. So that unit rate, I'm going to use that 95, and I'm going to multiply that by our time to get our distance in hours. Now, if you want to check your work, and we can here, then every single number that we plug in should make sense. So let's go just with our unit rate. 95 times, and in t, let's throw in 1, should equal our distance, which is 95. And if we simplify that out, we find that 95 equals 95. If you maybe had this flipped and you said 95 times distance equals time, you could check it and you would see it doesn't work. So we're good with our equation. The next thing is on the graph, draw a graph of the relationship between t and d for a trip that lasts from 0 to 7 hours. You have to be careful here because they only give you 4 hours. So at 1, we go 95 miles. At 2 hours, 190. Let's graph those 4. But they don't give us 0, 5, 6, or 7. But that's fine because we can just fill in the blanks. We know that this train is traveling at a constant rate. So we can put dots everywhere else as long as it's in a constant rate. And as long as your graph looks like that, then you are good to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.